Nilesh, I've always loved your writing. You write beautifully, and recently you wrote a very inspiring article on your own personal journey. It was, again, as usual, your style, very witty, but you talked about how you lost money and then what were the lessons you learned from a wise person who you met, who was a market practitioner. Today, when we are, a week away from celebrating 50,000, that's when you wrote the article. And of course, now we've seen a fairly decent correction, almost down 7 to 8% since that high. What are the three or four lessons that you articulated in that article, if you can share that with our viewers?
Sure, Vivek. I was blessed to meet this Kaka, as we used to call him, in early days of my career. He was a man of immense common sense. He used to say that on Dalal Street we worship Lakshmi Mata on the Diwali day, but we should worship Saraswati Mata every day. He always stressed the importance of knowledge, research before buying a stock. This was way back in the early 90s when he was giving this sermon. He also told us that the Teji and Mandi, the bullishness and the bearishness of the market, is just like Poonam and Amas. Like moon will continue to move from Poonam to Amas, same way stock market will continue to swing between bullishness and bearishness. However, moon has a pattern. In stock market, there is no pattern. The other thing which he used to say quite nicely using Gujarati proverb give you immense knowledge. So one thing he always used to say, Lobh no thob nahi. There's no end to the greed. Don't be a greedy, otherwise you'll end up in a disaster. He also used to say Bhav Bhagwan. Many times we used to argue with him and he will say Bhav Bhagwan. The price reflects everything, the positivity, the negativity. So give preference to price and assume that it knows more than you know. So there were immense knowledge, and one favorite thing which he had said, to make money all you require is common sense, which is not so commonly available. So he used to encourage us, and at that point of time, I didn't have the professional degree. I was studying my chartered accountancy. He said, whether you become CA or not, but your investment career is independent of your professional degree.